In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit payment details in InVideo. This walkthrough covers both InVideo AI and InVideo Studio, so you'll be set no matter which platform you use. One quick note before we begin. These two products are separate, with their own pricing plans and billing pages. Make sure you're logged into the correct one so the changes apply to the subscription you actually want to update. Start by logging into your account. In the top right corner, click your profile icon or account name. That opens your account menu. From there, go to the subscription page. Depending on layout updates, this might appear as subscription, billing, or something similar, but it will take you to the same area where your plan and payment details live. On the subscription page, look for the section labeled Card Details or Payment Method. This is where your current card on file is displayed. Click the button that says Update or Update Payment Method. A secure pop-up window will appear. Enter your new credit or debit card information carefully. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and security code are correct, and that the billing address matches what your bank has on file. If you see any validation errors, fix those before moving on. When everything looks good, click Confirm or Save to finalize the change. Keep the tab open until you see a success message or the page refreshes with your updated details. After saving, you'll typically see the last 4 digits of your new card reflected on the page, and you may receive a confirmation email from the platform. Here are some important notes for 2025. First, your new card will usually be charged starting with your next billing cycle. Updating the card does not automatically trigger a new charge unless there's an outstanding balance. Second, remember that InVideo AI and InVideo Studio are separate products. If you subscribe to both, you'll need to update each one individually by logging into the respective platform and repeating these same steps. Third, if your last payment failed because your card expired or was declined, simply updating the card will generally trigger an automatic retry. Once the payment goes through, your premium benefits should be restored. If the retry doesn't succeed, double-check your card details, available funds, or consider contacting support for help. That's it. Log in, open your profile menu, head to subscription, update the payment method, enter your new card details, and save. You're all set for a smooth next billing cycle.